What is that? What is that shit? Where'd your rain go? It's, Christy, this is my life. This is my life. Okay, I got the dog. It was gonna get hit on 167. I saved it. I will give it to a shelter. Did I not just say to you? What did I say about the car? Did I not say that? About the car? Hi.
Hi. Hello again, guys. So back in November of 2019, after the new C8 Corvette was announced, I really wanted one, but it was way out of my price range. So that wasn't going to stop me from getting a mid-engine car from General Motors. I'd always liked the fastback Fiero GT from Pontiac, and I found a unmolested but not running 1987 Pontiac Fiero GT. The car was filthy and the brakes were seized up from sitting so long. The car hadn't ran or ran good in about 20 years, but soon that was about to change. Got a tow truck and we managed to get it to my house. The car was filthy and full of leaves. The brakes were seized up from sitting so long. From what the previous owner told me, the engine had really bad rod knock, but he had never seen it ran, and the owner before him had bought it to try and fix it, but lost all the parts for the engine. So it was kind of a gamble with the engine. So but it runs. Woohoo! Success. $1987 Fiero GT, 63,000 original miles. Fuel pump turns on, and let's go for a start.